So we're going to go ahead and solve this equation for x. We'll be using a couple of rules I've written on the right. The first rule we'll use is this one. B to the log base b of m is m. So as long as the base and the base on the logarithm match, the value of the exponential expression is m. So the 2 and the 2 match, and that means the right-hand side of this equation is just 3. We'll also go ahead and use the power rule for logarithms, so that lets us make this coefficient into an exponent. So we can go ahead and make 2 into an exponent. So let's go ahead and do that. So we would have 2, whoops, I was just going to move that 2, wasn't I? Okay, so we're going to have log base 9 of 7x plus 9 squared equals 3. Now it's tempting to just drop the logarithm, but you can't do that because the right-hand side here is a number, not a logarithm. So don't drop the logarithm. Instead, use this rule at the very top. Log base b of n is x if and only if b to the x is n. So the base would be 9, that's our b, and the n is 7x plus 9 squared, and the x is 3. So we'll go ahead and rearrange that as an exponential equation. 9 to the third power equals 7x plus 9 squared. So we can go ahead and solve this equation now. We'll figure out what 9 to the third is. So 9 to the third is 729. And then I can go ahead and take the square root of both sides of the equation. So we'll go ahead and put a plus or minus on the left here. And then the square root of 729, that would be 27. So we have a 27 on the left. So 27 equals 7x plus 9. We can subtract 9 from both sides of the equation. So we get negative 9 plus or minus 27 equals 7x. Let's see, negative 9 plus 27, that would be positive 18. Negative 9 minus 27, that would be negative 36. So we have 18 sevenths for x, or negative 36 sevenths for x. Now when you have your answers, you need to check them in your original arguments to make sure your argument still comes out positive. So we want to make sure the 7x plus 9 is not negative. I think when I put that negative value in, I think I'm going to get something negative. Let's see, I get negative 36 plus 9, so yeah, that's negative. So we don't want this answer. We just take the 18 sevenths for the answer.